A quick chat with my guest this evening. Karan Verma is an author. Advocate APS Khadial is spokesperson of the Congress Party, and Advocate NS Napinai is an advocate in the Supreme Court. She's also the founder of Cyber Sathi. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us. I'm going to come to Mr. Khadial first. Mr. Khadial, you know, I understand that we are in the middle of an election. I understand that we are in the middle of competing narratives as far as the entire reservation controversy is concerned. But what I don't understand is the need to spread fake videos via official Congress handles. Why do it?
Thank you, Shreya. Please allow me a minute uninterrupted. Less and less days to go for the result, and more action is being witnessed against Congress leaders and India Alliance leaders. Hemant Soren, one Chief Minister down. Arvind Kejriwal, second Chief Minister down. Mr. Reddy, third Chief Minister. Fourth is the Congress Party's accounts were also frozen back in the day, and then we had to go to the Supreme Court to get relief. So this is but...
Don't play this victim card, Mr. Khadial. Please answer the question.
I am sorry, this is not victim card. This is a fact, this is a pattern, and everybody can see it. I beg to differ. There's no victim card. We've all seen, and I'll tell you the stats also. 95% cases registered by the ED and CBI are against opposition parties. Why is the conviction rate going low? And why is it that when 25 leaders from the opposition
Mr.
parties
Khadial, I've asked
join
you, where is the need to spread fake videos?
Now, number one.
My question is simple. I know all the stats you're giving me. You have been on enough shows on Mirror now to know that we've covered all of this. That discussion is done and dusted. I'm asking you, where is the...
You have...
Mr. Khadial, here's my question. I'm going to ask you that question again. Mr. Khadial, I'm going to ask you that question. Mr. Khadial, I understand that in election season, you will see narratives that are misleading from both political parties. We are seeing exactly that as far as reservation is concerned. मतलब Congress भी गलत narrative डाल रहा है, misinformed narrative डाल रहा है, BJP भी डाल रहा है. Okay. My question to you is, where is the need to spread fake videos and fake news? That's it.
Answering the question, I was anyway coming to this, Shreya. Let me clarify one thing. We are not the originator of the video. Let's understand the law. Let's understand how it works. I, being a lawyer, am telling you, for the offences that have been registered against Mr. Reddy, there had to be origination attributed to him. There is no origination at his part. He has nothing to do with it. And number two, we all know that the social media handle...
Telangana Congress has retweeted that video.
Shreya, if I may complete, please.
Telangana Congress official Twitter handle has retweeted that video. सब class 5 के बच्चे को दिख रहा है कि doctored video है. Mr. Khadial, कैसी बात कर रहे हैं आप?
If I may please complete, Shreya, if you would allow me the time to answer. Class 5 के बच्चे को पता है, then why has the Bharatiya Janata Party throughout this election phase been sharing and been saying things which are untrue, which are false? Mr. Modi saying that we are against reservation. Saying that घुसपैठियों को reservation दे देंगे, जिनके बच्चे ज्यादा होते हैं, आपके मंगलसूत्र लेके गहने लेके उनको दे देंगे. That is not a lie. That is not false. And I'll tell you why we are not doing
Karan Verma.
If I may complete, please, 10 more seconds. One, we do not do what the Bharatiya Janata Party does. It is the Bharatiya Janata Party's mindset and perspective. Since they do it, they feel everybody does it, but it's not the case. Now, number two, why we are not doing it? Now, number one, we are not the originator. And number two, it is not Mr. Reddy operating his own account. There are people for that. And number three, I just wish that there were actual cases registered against people like Mr. Modi who make communal remarks against criminals like Brij Bhushan, who have allegations attributed to them regarding sexual assault, sexual harassment.
Okay, Mr. Khadial, your 10 seconds are over.
There is no action at all.
Let Karan Verma come in. हो गया. Let others come in. Karan Verma, essentially the crux of Mr. Khadial's argument is this. एक मिनट रुक जाइए. Essentially the crux of the argument is this. सुन लीजिए भैया, I am the anchor, मुझे भी बोलने दीजिए ना. That we, the Congress Party, are not originators of this video, and by the way, there's a probe on, and no one knows who the originator of the video is, but one person related to the Congress Party has been arrested by BJP ruled Assam. ठीक है. Secondly, he's saying BJP के नेता तो reservation वाले मामले में they are spewing one lie after another, where they are saying that if the Congress Party comes to power, they are going to give reservation to Muslims and they are going to take away reservation from SC, ST, OBC. The counter narrative to that, what I'm trying to ask you, and I think the crux of Mr. Khadial's argument is that your leaders can lie, but we are held guilty if we post a fake video by mistake. I think that's the crux of his argument.
So I'm actually not surprised. I mean, a party that has run this entire campaign on fake promises is bound to come up with fake stuff in its campaign also. So I'm not surprised. So this is the real chal and charitra of the Congress party, which has actually called the Prime Minister fake and called the Prime Minister spreading misinformation. They've doctored a video and they've spread it through their official handles, and then they have the gall. It's the perfect example of the pot calling the kettle black, actually. You know, Shreya, what I'm most appalled by is that this entire campaign of the Congress from the last 6-8 months, starting from Rahul Gandhi himself, has been all about caste, reservation, झूठ, lies. इसको caste होगी, इसको ये दे देंगे, इससे ये ले लेंगे. None of them have been able to set one constructive agenda in this campaign. All they want to spread is this canard that BJP will take away reservation, they are anti-OBC, we will do an X-ray, we will take this from this one, give it to this one. Where are we heading with this sort of campaign? No wonder the Congress is reduced to the political margins.
Karan Verma,
they have no
don't
agenda,
take the moral high
zero
ground
credibility.
here.
I mean, a party with
The BJP is doing exactly that. हिंदू का मंगलसूत्र लेके मुसलमान को दे दोगे, हिंदू का गोल्ड लेके मुसलमान को दे दोगे.
नहीं,
the BJP can also be held guilty for exactly what you're holding the Congress guilty of. मैं कहाँ बोल रही हूँ, the Prime Minister ने बोला है भाई.
No, there's a difference.
मैं कहाँ, who am I to say any of these things?
That was a genuine. हाँ, मुझे बोलने दीजिए. आपने सवाल पूछा, एक बार मुझे बोलने दीजिए. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नेवर यूज द वर्ड कि मुस्लिम को दे देंगे या इसको कर देंगे. उन्होंने एक सवाल पूछा कि भाई आपके मैनिफेस्टो में वेल्थ सर्वे की बात है, वेल्थ इक्वालिटी लाएंगे. राहुल गांधी इज सेइंग, सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू? इज दिस व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू? ही referenced the speech of Manmohan Singh in 2006. He didn't spread fake videos, for crying out loud. He didn't come up with doctored clips which they are spreading. They owe an apology to the nation. Let them through their official handles issue an apology that yes, we had spread misinformation. Yes, all our proxy handles are guilty of this.
So
at
fake
least
news
have
is
this
okay,
moral temerity
fake
and
videos are
apologize
not
before
okay.
the nation.
Karan Verma.
Prime Minister, what he did, you
Karan
can debate.
Verma, are you
at
saying
least it
fake
was not
news is
fake
okay?
and doctored. Gee.
Karan Verma, are you saying that fake news is okay, but fake videos are not
I'm
okay?
Not saying,
is that what you're saying? You only said abhi.
No, where is the fake news?
At least BJP
there we can have a difference
dale.
of opinion. No, that is what you think. The Prime Minister... The Prime Minister referenced Manmohan Singh's speech in 2006, and by the way, Manmohan Singh in 2009 again clarified minorities, particularly the Muslim minority. So that is debatable. We can have different views, but this is goddamn
lies. Singh fighting the election?
This is daylight robbery where you doctor a video and spread it.
Achha, sorry.